We got a message for the people.
Come up here, I got a message.
You're gonna go live. You're live.
Alright, Madakiapi, my name is Joanne Spotted Bear and I am from Wounded Knee. I wanna see these police right here. We're at a federal court hearing. We are federal Indians and the state of North Dakota has a charter number. They have no treaty and the United States went bankrupt in 1933. That means that the United States does not have a federal writ.
Yeah.
There is no federal tribe to give the United States a federal writ. And when they went bankrupt in 1933, 12 years before the original United Nations went up in Geneva, Switzerland, they gave all the documents over. So technically, I want to know why we're standing here and not inside, because that is a public building and we are on federal lands in a federal area. So what is the reason why we're standing here? Does anybody know why?
It's our land.
Other than going to jail, what's the real reason? And why are they trying to, what's the charge going to be? Standing up for water?
Trespassing on our own land?
Could be. but it's our land, so what's another charge? So I wanna address on Facebook, Ambassador Shahi Amin Kahan, Ambassador Malik, and all the world ambassadors who know Joanne Spotted Bear. There's over 9,000 of you.
Whoa.
There is well over 200 tribes at the Standing Rock area. These police officers right here are not federal employees.
Oh shit.
They are state cops. And we cannot go into the federal courthouse, and therefore I can't tell you if it's a federal courthouse or a state courthouse that is withholding evidence right now. This is illegal. In a public building, whether it's state or federal, we have a right to go in and to see what kind of decisions they're making for the great Teton Nation. The Fort Laramie Treaty 1851 bypassed the Congress and went into the Chronicle list of international treaties where one judge cannot make decisions for the Lakota, Nakota, Dakota, known as the Great Teton Nation, without addressing the whole entire world. So what I want to know is, why are those cops there? And why are we here, standing here?
Let's go to jail.
No, we're not going to go to jail. There's a better way. They said no going to jail, so we're not going to go to jail. Okay, I'm sorry. The elders said, and we have to respect them, and I respect the grandmothers. So what we're going to do is we need to file charges on the judge to make sure that we cannot hear what's in the public building, because that is treason of treaties. That is a federal offense, and that is a death sentence. Treason. So we need to come together like that. And everybody needs to get their treaties. Another one, treaties are supreme law of the land and they're for sale at the Library of Congress in Washington. I told on you.
What'd you say, 30 bucks?
They're anywhere from $100 to $300.
Oh, $100 to $300.
Yeah. One more thing. You can buy the video in that building and the voice recording and the video and the dockets. Those are anywhere from $30 to $500, depending on how long the court case is. So we need to find that out so we can go back and it's called a rebuttal. Okay? So we're going to respect the elders, and we are not going to go to jail. And we are going to find out what we need to get done, because this is not okay. This is not okay for me to sit here and watch our people wondering what's going on. So I'm going to go over here and ask them if they understand treaties. And if I go to jail, just
bail you out.
No, you get a hold of the world ambassadors and the world leaders and tell them that a Native American Indian from Wounded Knee just went to jail. I do have a dignitary card in my car. I give you permission to go in my pants and pull out my wallet. It has my UN identity card in there. So let that see where that takes them. So I'll be right back.
Oh.
Good luck.
Who's the chief of police?
Oh, they're not supposed to, maybe they're not going to say anything to us.
Do we have a chief of police?
Who's the sergeant?
Who's the sergeant?
You gotta have a commanding officer.
Do we have one?
Possibly a
He's gonna.
public information officer.
Oh, is he walking? Nope, maybe not.
Okay, does any of you guys need hearing aids?
Coming.
Oh, good.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Hello, I'm Joanne Spotted there. I'm actually from Wounded Knee. They said we couldn't cross that, but you see I did. Okay,
Let's go back over there.
all right, well, if you cross this side, can I rescue? How about we make it mutual?
Okay.
All right, stand right there. Come on, let's
Put
make
your
it.
foot there.
Yeah, and I'll put my foot there. All right, there we go. All right, see, look, we got mutual.
Yeah. Good job.
Okay, my name is Joanne Spotted Bear, and you are? Luke? Luke what? Chief.
God bless you guys.
Thank you guys.
I'm gonna speak in my own language first. Okay. That way we can have a good relationship. Tokaya Tunkashila Wopila Waku, Levia Chimtonia Hania, my dear relatives, we always thank the Creator first. You know, thank Him for everything. My Indian Lakota name is Bear Winner. My English name is Joanne Spotted. And I'm originally from Wounded Knee. You know that Cowboys and Indians thing? Okay, we're not here to play Cowboys and Indians. We're here to, that's a public building, right? Okay, and this is the public? Okay, I just said that. So here we go. We didn't come here to create animosity. We came here to find out what was said in the building without stirring up any trouble. And all of the relatives, they know that. They've been told before leaving camp. We have no problem with your co-workers because what they're saying is water is life, and as far as you know, and the women that talk to, 85% of our bodies are water, right? And if the water is contaminated, are you guys gonna drink it? I'm not. Honestly, I will. I'll buy water. But eventually the bottled water will run out too, right? So that's a good point right there. But the next point is, did you guys realize that the 1851 Fort Lauderdale Treaty bypassed Congress and made it to the Chronicle list of international treaties worldwide? Are you aware of that? Okay, now, you just witnessed on cameras that you did not know about the Chronicle list of international treaties. Come on.
Go across the line. Let her talk.
Okay, so did you also realize that the Great Lakota Nation is accepted by the United Nations in New York and Geneva? Okay, I am a dignitary at the United Nations. I'm also respected by our people and our grandmothers to speak to any one of the state, local, state, and federal governments. Come on, you guys, let's be respectful, please. In the U.S. Constitution, did you guys take the oath? You did? In that oath, what did it say? If I may ask. Right. I took an oath too. I became a law advocate, and at the United Nations we had to take an oath to solemnly swear to protect the Constitution. Right? Okay, so all of us are on that level. That's good. In the United States Constitution, Article 6, Clause 2, what does it say? You don't know? It says, Article 6, Clause 2 says that treaties are supreme law of the land. It's the supremacy clause. Do you have an understanding what the supremacy clause is? Any clue? Okay. The supremacy clause to the law of the land is that you will respect indigenous peoples. The original people. You know, Indians are always radical in some kind of way and have to break the line, our law. But yet our laws and our land were broken, and today our water rights are at stake. And it's not just ours. It's yours too. It's all of our water.
Our water.
And all we only know is the decision, because technically one judge cannot make a ruling on the Fort Lauderdale Treaty 1851 because he's talking about a chronicle list of international treaties worldwide. And then what I'm going to do, if I find out that that one judge made one decision on the chronicle list of international treaties, I'm going to see to it that on federal court, I'm going to have all the UN ambassadors come in, and then I'm going to pull the charter to the state of North Dakota. And then I'm going to pull your guys' charter too, okay? Because it's only fair. You respect us, and we respect you. And in respecting, that is a public building where we should be able to hear, and there should be no animosity.
Are we not allowed in the building? No. Nobody's allowed.
No members of the protester. This is the protest
We're
area.
protectors. We are not
Okay,
protesters.
this is the protest area that's been assigned. If you're part of the protest, this is where you're allowed to be.
But we're not. Or I'm not a protester. Can I go in there?
You're part of the group here today.
No, I'm
You're
not.
part of this group.
You've
You need to stay there.
given me an
It's
identity.
not our protest, that's any protest that, because it's already permitted.
We've already, here's the thing, folks. We've already told you what the boundaries are.
And they're doing their job also.
Okay, we're not
Just
going
trying to
to
gain an understanding as to why a lot of us just pulled up. We don't necessarily know what is going on. You know what I mean? We just see a line.
Alright, guys, our job today here
Hitting right in my shot,
everything
man.
goes as smoothly as it possibly can go.
That's our job too.
That's our job to do. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're not going to sit here and have a debate about
The elders asked for no jail. No one goes to jail. The
the judge
elders.
that ruled isn't even in North Dakota.
Why are you guys armed?
My understanding that happened out in Washington. Okay, that's my understanding. Nothing happened here. I won't even cover my right.
So that makes
So-
sense.
So there would really be no reason to go in here because there's really nobody in here that you could visit with, talk with, anything like that.
Okay, so technically, in reality, our problems are not here. Our
They're in
problems in Washington.
I've always been in Washington.
But
Okay.
this can still be addressed because this isn't legal also. This is not okay.
Yeah, this is
It's a public building.
right, but
And there is a First Amendment right.
there. That's what they're saying. There's no
They
court.
said that they applied for a permit to protest here. So during the hours of the permit that was allotted, there's nobody going into the building. After that, before 3 o'clock, we probably could have went in. After 6 o'clock, we could probably go in.
So,
There's nobody going in.
okay, well, how about the city? Where's the city?
Or just not in there.
There's no, if you have normal business within the city,
Yeah.
The capital is open.
capital is open. I mean, so if you have any business, if you go in and you want to go up, but I said anybody that's involved in the protest here, this is the area that's been given to do that. So again, if you have some
Person, I can walk around.
You could go into the state capitol where people pay taxes to pay our people that I pay taxes.
First Amendment rights, totally.
again, if you have some business in there,
There's a paperwork process to it though.
Process.
So I got a question. Let's say I want to know whose names are
The line is on that side of the phone. Thank you.
pipeline and who signed the paper. Can I find out in there?
For what now?
For the Dakota Access Pipeline, can I find out whose names are on the document?
You can go in and ask.
Yeah, can I? Yeah. Okay, then I'll
Go that way.
You got to take the
You
sidewalk.
have to
Oh, I
go.
could take the
All
sidewalk.
right.
But I can't walk on the sidewalk because I got
You can't take a large group in there.
Nobody's saying you
Okay.
can't. Nobody's saying you cannot go into the Capitol. If you have official business, you go into the Capitol. Nobody's saying you can't go in.
But she can go in.
I don't think you'll find it.
Yeah, you won't find any of that
You
information
ask
here.
the group.
There's
And if they
no
say
federal
yes,
court.
then
There's
you
no
can-
federal courthouse here.
Ask them.
The federal courthouse is downtown, where any of the documents, if you want to see
Group.
them, I'll be down.
Well,
Group, I have a question for the group. I'm with Camp of the Sacred Stone. I'm live streaming now. Do I have your permission to go with Joanne into the Capitol to live stream this?
No, we're taking
I just want to
we're
see
taking the
group.
protest to the Capitol.
No, you just, there's three, single person, her, and then one more, that's it. No more, that's it.
I was in the Capitol earlier and the information guy said that we could go in there.
Yeah, it's open for normal business. It's open for normal business.
Please get behind me. That's okay.